Okay, so I'm going to go through each of the questions on this paper and just give you the right answers for each one as we go. So question one is all about the Mrs. C. Gren. The main point that people got wrong when they got them wrong was these two here. Okay, people got this one wrong and they got this one wrong. If we look at this first, to obtain energy, to release energy from the room, from the food, is always going to be respiration. Okay, respiration is the release of energy from food that we take, that we take up. But in plants, this is the food which they make through the process of photosynthesis. But to release energy from that is respiration. Taking things up into the body. In the case of animals. It's through the process of digestion, but in the single-celled organisms, they might just absorb it. But either way, we're taking things into the body. This is going to be our nutrition. So those are two main that most people got wrong. The rest of these were generally gotten correct by people that recognise that this was a question about the 7 life processes, Mrs. Gren. So this one here is sensitivity. Right here we've got reproduction. And this one, an organism runs as fast as it can to evade a predator. This one is movement. If we look at all these here, now we've got M, R, S, G, R, E, N. We're missing the C from Mr. C. Gren, so C stands for control. And this is the idea of controlling the environment around us to sort ourselves out. So often we think of control, we think of the process of homeostasis, that maintenance of a constant internal environment. Now this question was only done for set 1, had to do this question, but we can look at it for either people. How do animals obtain food? Well, we are animals, we obtain food through the process of eating. Okay, we eat other organisms. And the correct biological term to describe organisms that obtain food this way, I did allow different answers for this because we haven't really covered this yet. But organisms that eat other things are actually known as heterotrophs. Just write that again. They're known as heterotrophs. That means to eat other organisms. Green plants obviously get their food through the process of photosynthesis. Okay, they don't eat other organisms. They make their own food. So I should say they're photosynthesis using sunlight. Was sort of the second mark there, or saying to produce glucose. Organisms that are capable of making their own food are known as autotrophs. Just terms need to know. So we have heterotrophs, ones that eat other organisms, or organisms that make their own food are known as autotrophs.